This is an unboxing of Raquel Welch's It Curl in the colour biscuit, and it is RL19/23. So let's see what she's like straight out of the box. Everything is totally untouched, but not for long. Here is It Curl. Ooh, looks quite curly actually. And she's got the hairnet on, we'll get rid of that. So the cap construction looks like it might have a little bit of permatease around here. It has a bit of an extended nape here and some Velcro adjusters. And it looks like it's got silicone on here, which should be a really great thing to add to help keep it stable on my head. And really great if you don't have any hair. That feels really soft actually, and hopefully that'll be really comfortable. I have purchased just an average cap, but I'm going to go put her on and let's see what she looks like straight out of the box. Well, here's It Curl straight out of the box, and boy, she does have some curls. For me at the moment, she's looking a little bit like Fright Night. I hope I can do something with her. Now this wig does have a lace front. This is the unshaded form of biscuit. There is another colour which is shaded biscuit, which I really love, which has brown roots put in it. This wig has no roots, but there's a lot of lighter fibres around the hairline, which I think really helps in making it look more natural and not giving it that pluggy dark look. So let's see what I can do with this Fright Night. So here's It Curl. It is curly. I was actually purchasing her hoping to try and make her into a cheaper version of Editor's Pick. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to. I'm going to need to work on this wig for a little while because this is a little bit too curly for me. If you're a person that loves curls, go for this wig. And I'm definitely going to put some rooting in here because I think that's going to match my complexion a lot better, and I will do a video tutorial on that for you. But here's a close-up of the beautiful lace front, which is one of the big reasons I purchased this wig. So it's really a lovely lace front, and those fibres, those lighter fibres come right forward, and I think that's really beautiful. So I'll be able to pull some of this back in styling. I will do a full review on this wig for you. Keep your eye open for that. And if you like the wig I'm wearing, this is the beautiful Miranda from John Renault. A beautiful wig. And don't forget, in my opinion, wigs are supposed to be fun and uplifting and give us confidence and help us get out into the world again and have fun. Keep up those great comments. I'm really loving reading them. They really inspire me and help me to know what videos to make for you next. And YouTube will have a video selected just for you. And don't forget to check out my YouTube site. There's over 150 videos there on all topics, wigs. And thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World.